Yeah, he's an insecure guy. The guy who's sitting for 6 months, he's insecure because he'll put it out. Then he fears कि उसके hits नहीं आएंगे तो उसको सोचने लगेगा कि मैं कुछ कर नहीं रहा, अपने मम्मी पापा को बोलेगा कि भाई 6 महीने से मैं बैठा हुआ था, मम्मी हिट नहीं हुआ, मम्मी will be like तूने अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया. He's afraid of what his parents will say. Then he's afraid of like his friends saying यार गाने फील नहीं आए यार, किक बड़ी होती तो मजा आता, वोकल कुछ और अच्छा लगता, तो उससे डरता है वो. Then he's afraid of rejection. AI मैंने अभी I use Suno AI, Udio AI, I used a couple of these guys. They are amazing at generating music from briefs. तो prompt देगा, गाना रहता है, तो you get exactly what you were looking for. So what will happen with AI will be कि तुमने गाना निकाल लिया, but the guy wants to do something else, so you'll re-sync what the AI made, or you'll use the melody of the AI. So people will start. अभी तक AI was copying from us, but because AI is much better at delivering a brief than a human. इंडिया में भाई क्रिसमस हुई है 25 दिसंबर, सबको पता है क्रिसमस होती है, रात के 10 बजे 24 दिसंबर को कुछ फिल्म मिलेगी, कल पिक्चर ऑन टॉप जानी है, कहाँ से करोगे यार? इफ यू वर्किंग इन द यूएस, जहाँ पे जब मैं क्लास में आया तो पहले कहते हैं कि इफ दिस कोर्स इज टू स्ट्रेसफुल फॉर यू, राइट, प्लीज टॉक टू, वी हैव अ मेंटल हेल्थ काउंसलर ऑन कैंपस. ये बोला कि इट कैन बी टू स्ट्रेस. मैंने कहा बहुत काम कराएंगे भाई. मैं पहुंचा उधर था कि ओके ओवर द नेक्स्ट 3 वीक्स वी विल मेक वन पीस ऑफ म्यूजिक फॉर 30 सेकंड्स. मैंने कहा ये तो मेरा भाई दिल्ली में 2 घंटे मांगता है.
Godcast.
Do you think my hair is fine?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Okay. Okay, so
I liked it पहले ज्यादा.
what do you mean पहले ज़्यादा?
जब तेरा माथे पे थोड़ा सा.
Like this?
हाँ.
You like it now?
Yeah.
Okay. So the reason I'm asking for advice from this guy is because he's an old friend. He's like a 12-year-old friend, and I am a huge fan of his work. Amazing artist. One of my favorite musicians. Very good work. Amazing work.
Thank you, Utkarsh.
Harsh, good to have you here, bro.
Thank you so much for calling.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
you.
Good to have you here, bro.
नमस्कार.
So I've always had this one question, भाई तेरे लिए कि when you look at yourself in the mirror, what do you see?
I don't know, bro. A blob.
Okay. What do you mean by that?
A blob, I mean like a hedge which walks around.
Okay.
I think it's, I don't know.
Okay.
What do you see when you?
I see like beauty, man.
Huh?
I see beauty.
But what do you see when you see yourself in?
Oh, myself, I see work, more work.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
same.
see like I have to do more work.
हाँ.
So I don't look at myself much.
नहीं mirror में नहीं देखना चाहिए bro.
हाँ. So bro, Arsh, I know that तू पहले architect था भाई.
हाँ.
है ना? And then now you are a musician based in Bombay.
Yeah.
Making good stuff.
Yeah.
One stuff every week, right now.
अभी तो फट रही है यार.
हाँ.
अभी basically शुरू में architect थे.
Yeah.
अभी बॉम्बे के अंदर it's like one track we're putting out per week.
Yeah.
I have another thing where we're putting out a podcast like video thing twice a week.
Good man.
And so that's going on twice a week, and साथ में delivering commercial projects.
Yes.
So like 24/7 just getting out to work.
So like how did this happen, bro? Because when I met you, तू तो म्यूजिक बना रहा था.
हाँ.
तो ये आर्किटेक्ट से म्यूजिक की तरफ कैसे गया?
यार architecture was a forced thing.
What do you mean by that?
Means like कि मैं music ही बनाना चाह रहा था.
Okay.
My parents were like, let's do a degree.
Okay.
And not a music degree, like to start with. So I was like, let's do architecture. My dad was an architect.
Okay.
Dad is an architect. But तो they were like, let's do architecture first.
Yeah.
तो architecture में घुसे, पर मैं तो music ही बना रहा था. मैं तो 12 की उम्र से music बना रहा हूँ.
Okay.
So I started playing gigs from there. We did Channel V Launchpad with the Circus. मेरे पुराना band, if you met them.
Okay.
Like in college.
Okay.
उसके बाद college से निकले तो I was doing music full time anyway. So I did the architecture thing, but architecture में I did fit a lot of what do you call? I did a lot of architecture projects, building studios and stuff.
Okay.
वो skill आ गई तो कर लो, क्या problem?
हाँ नहीं.
हाँ.
ठीक.
Yeah. तो वो 30 तक किया, उसके बाद नहीं किया.
Like 30 years of your life,
Yeah.
you were doing architecture also and music
Like
also.
architecture also in the sense like it was like we were running the studio.
Yeah.
तो साथ में किया ही.
हाँ.
Studio we were running, and on top of that was just जितना टाइम एक्स्ट्रा था उसमें जो प्रोजेक्ट पकड़ लिया, टीम खड़ी कर दी, बिल्ड करवा दी. So that was running till let's say till 6-7 years ago.
Okay.
Then I stopped doing that.
Then straight away only.
हाँ, तब म्यूजिक ही करते हैं.
तो जो चेंज बेसिकली जो बाई ट्रांजिशन था, दैट्स ओनली लाइक इन वर्ड्स, इन रियलिटी तो हमेशा म्यूजिशियन ही था.
हाँ, I was always a musician. We were going to go to music school also.
So like initially when you were 12 years old, so how you used to make music on guitar and piano?
नहीं यार,
Okay,
मैं दिमाग में सोचता था.
Okay.
And I used to love heavy metal and thrash metal.
Like
Thrash metal is like old, like Metallica पुराना.
okay,
Old Megadeth, old Sepultura.
okay, okay,
Old Death, Exodus.
okay.
Like you know, Testament. पुराने old school बुट्टा
हाँ.
करने वाले band. That's the only music I want to make. And Slayer.
हाँ.
तो मेरा initially when I picked up the guitar, it was like I want to make the most evil music ever.
Okay.
पर वो किया नहीं, गिटार ही नहीं, अब तो कंप्यूटर पर DTV करता हूँ मैं तो.
हाँ.
It's a different scene, but like yeah, school में था कि let's make metal, let's make extreme music. So and that's what gravitated me towards music, not like pop music. कभी it never registered when I was younger.
Okay, okay. So like doing commercial work independently through a studio.
Yeah.
So like how did that happen? How did your first gig happen?
यार देख, the way it went was कि I knew कि monetize तो करना है, कुछ करना है, especially when you're in college and you're playing different music. Your parents anyway like कि क्या कर रहे हो? You're also like कि is there any future for this? So I was like, okay, there is a commercial angle to this. So I started playing gigs, we started making money from there. Then we went out to record our band's tracks and we were like कि यार feel ही नहीं आती कहीं पे. So I learned how to start producing.
Okay.
Then I went to a place to study production for 6 months.
So when was this exactly?
I was 23. कितना होगा? 14 years ago.
So it was in India or you went?
India, yeah, just a 6-month thing.
कहाँ से भाई ये?
आनंद लोग.
Okay, क्या नाम
Beat
था उसका?
Factory.
What?
Beat Factory.
Beat Factory still there?
I think so. Yeah. But Gaurav has left. Their main teacher.
हाँ.
वो US में is making plugins.
Okay, wow.
He's got a couple of really good plugins. Beat Skills करके उसका.
Okay, okay. So
तो उधर से सीखा मतलब, but उधर से the main thing was we got the basics.
yeah.
अब निकलो, अब देखते हैं, अब जिसको गाना चाहिए बेचने की कोशिश करते हैं. और क्या कर सकते हो, you know.
हाँ.
So that was the first outtake of that.
Okay. And the band thing, like you still run your own solo band.
Yeah, so the band thing, I had 2 bands. The first one was called the Circus.
Okay.
Circus I had formed in college
Okay.
with Abhishek, Anshul, Anshul
Yeah.
singer, Abhishek, the
Yeah.
drummer, Abhinav. So we had a 4-piece band. We got pretty big actually.
Okay.
We went to Launchpad, Channel V Launchpad.
This is
Did
when
GIR,
Launchpad when exactly?
2009.
Okay, okay.
And then we did NH7 Weekender 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay.
We played all of these. We played all the major festivals back then.
Okay.
When you were young and in demand. Okay. Music festival वही करते हैं, थोड़ा बच्चा हो तो अच्छा हो.
भाई जब हम like when we were in 20s,
हाँ.
this thing was very big,
Yeah.
gigs and all.
Yeah.
So now it doesn't feel the same way.
No.
Why is like that? Like ऐसा हुआ क्यों? Or like if you compare this with what we had,
Yeah.
so what did we lose?
Yeah, I don't think we lost anything. I think
Okay.
we're just older. Our generation, we had gigs. We felt कि हमारा community है.
हाँ.
So younger kids are going to a lot of hip hop gigs. They're going to a lot of Pratik Pohar type,
Okay.
Chinga Chinga, like you know, like little lame music. कर रहे हैं. So like people are going for that,
Yeah.
and that's the music of Gen Z. I mean, we are not that generation anymore.
And we people like are no more the audience is what you're saying?
यार आई थिंक जो हमारे एज का बंदा होता है ना, वो
हाँ.
गिग जाना बंद कर देता है एक पॉइंट पे.
हाँ, हाँ.
मतलब लाइक इवन दो आई एम स्टिल प्लेइंग गिग्स, आई एम प्लेइंग अ लॉट ऑफ गिग्स, बट द ऑडियंस हैज शिफ्टेड एंड यू हैव टू बी मोर सिलेक्टिव कि कितने लोग आएंगे, कौन आएगा, अपने लोग आ जाएंगे, 100-150 आ जाएं. बट द पॉइंट इज कि व्हेन पीपल गेट ओल्डर दे जस्ट as people get into their 30s, they don't want to go out. They want to chill at home. इंडिया में तो सिंपल है यार, शादी कर लिए, बच्चे हो गए, खत्म हो गया. लाइक कहीं नहीं जाना, यू नो. तो देयर इज नो अदर वे अराउंड इट.
So bro like
कल्चरल है. लाइक तू बाहर जाएगा,
हाँ.
तू मेटालिका के शो पे जा,
हाँ.
आधी ऑडियंस विल बी 60 year old.
Yeah, that's true.
राइट. सो द ऑडियंस ग्रोज ओल्ड विद द एक्ट.
Yeah.
हमारे तो जब भी क्लब में जा तो एज of the club will be the same. This is not the case abroad.
It's true. People like age group remains same. People keep changing.
Yeah, मतलब हमारे यहाँ कि the artists keep changing, But because culturally we are like always thinking यार we have to reach out to a 20-year-old. Why is a 35-year-old not fucking consuming shit?
Yeah.
You know कि मैंने बंद कर दिया कि मैं नहीं करता अब काम, मैं नहीं देखता अब. And that I think वो 20-year-old वाला जो mentality है, it still remains here, I feel, because we still think in the old TV and radio way.
Yeah.
We have to reach out to the younger people because they spend. Whereas consumption तो सारी is in millennials. We are older. Millennials are older and we are computer kids as well. So I don't think there should be differentiation between what we target for millennials or younger kids. Like the whole idea of making it for younger kids, I find slightly stupid. Yeah.
But that's the way it is.
It is right now, but it doesn't need to be. And I think it will change. तू यार US films देख.
Yeah.
Netflix, all the actors are middle-aged.
Yeah.
Your protagonist is middle-aged.
Yeah.
And he's not pretending to be younger.
Yeah.
He's pretending to be 50 years old.
हाँ.
है ना, वो मजे कर रहा है.
हाँ.
Like even this really cool film I saw with Julia Roberts, जहाँ पे दुनिया खत्म हो गई थी.
Okay. हाँ भी.
Yeah, it was a pretty good film.
I didn't see it.
हाँ, but the actors, the protagonist is older.
Yeah.
You look at some of the biggest shows, everyone is old.
हाँ भाई मेरे पापा खुद कहते हैं कि हीरो वहाँ 50 साल की उम्र में जाके हीरो बनता है.
हाँ, and मैं मानता हूँ यार.
हाँ.
मैं मानता हूँ इस बात को.
हाँ.
तभी तो एक्सपीरियंस आएगा.
All James Bond are older
They're all
guys.
older guys.
Always are older guys.
तो हमारे यहाँ we have a youth obsession which I don't understand, which is okay.
Yeah, yeah.
It's because we've never seen good-looking people in our country.
Okay. So like bro, like performing. So like how is it now? मतलब you're still performing. So what inspires you to perform?
यार मैं यही करता हूँ लाइफ में, यही करूँगा मरते दम तक. क्या करूँगा?
हाँ ठीक, अपने लिए कर रहा है मतलब.
नहीं, plus I get an audience.
Yeah, I am your audience.
You're my audience, and plus like when Fast Culture plays,
Yeah.
at least with Fast Culture we get around 150 people every time we play.
That's good, man.
So it's enough, and it expands in contracts.
Yeah.
When it expands. If छोटा होता है. Honestly, I feel that if like you can fill in 100 to 200 people every time you play, you have a career as a performer. It's fine. You know, that's all you need. वो 500,000 का नंबर ही डिफरेंट है. 500 में सारा प्रमोटर खा जाएगा. 200 की audience में at least the money is yours, the gig is yours.
So like when it's independent, you have more control.
You have more control. You have more control of the ticketing. You have control over the back end. You have control over the lineup. And जो festival gigs होते हैं, जो वो करते हैं, वो we do those. Those are fine. You know, but वो ये like right now like what really changed I thought was कि when TikTok festivals came into play. Before TikTok was banned, there was this TikTok festival I saw. They were just influencers.
Yeah.
And I think like the value of like पहले क्या होता था कि there are musicians, उनका म्यूजिक सुनते हैं, ऐसे महफिल से आते हैं. There are speakers. There's like.
So bro, like in this gig scene, is there any money? Honestly, like asking.
Yeah.
Okay.
I made a lot of money from it.
Okay. So like who pays for this? People who buy tickets, they are basically.
No, the way it goes is basically there are three parties. There's the people who buy the tickets. There's the club, or there is the venue, or then there is the promoter.
Okay.
Promoter is a person who's programming the evening. Then there is, let's say, your what do you call? Just say sponsors. But basically, like your alcohol brands can't sponsor anywhere. So there's a lot of money which comes in from that end.
Okay.
Right. So actually, there's a lot of money in there. That is the main money where you make money actually.
And like the gig thing, the music is also coming out of the passion.
Yeah.
Anna, like when you're doing something commercially, you're making what people want.
Exactly.
This is your passion.
First culture is passion. Yeah. Like that's my act.
Yeah.
First culture is passion. मैं अपने नाम को Arsh Sharma is not passionate. So Arsh Sharma sells commercial music.
Okay.
So जहाँ पे what the client demands I give it. But the gig scene is actually the most reliable form of money.
Okay.
Because it's always required.
Yeah.
If you have a bit of a name, you have a bit of a following, थोड़े से लोग आ जाएंगे, बाकी fill up हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
छोटी जगह में there are enough sponsors. You have to understand also, like for example, जैसे a lot of niche acts. जैसे like let's say First Culture है, या कोई electronic act है, या कोई अलग act है. They may pull in a bunch of people, but that audience spends a lot more. So the venue is making a lot of money because you're there.
Because exclusive.
Because it's exclusive, exactly. But sometimes when the audience is mass, there's no money being made because the audience doesn't buy anything. So the question, so actually, like when it comes to venues, when people are paying for it, when people are buying stuff, There's a lot of money being made in that economy. That's the entire nightlife economy is the gig economy.
Okay.
वो तो बहुत बड़ी चीज है.
And what's the future for this, bro? Like with the live streaming coming in, with the
Live streaming, यार live streaming एक main चीज है. Live streaming didn't work when it came, and it won't work because I think the idea of a gig for the audience is to go out, have a good time, have drinks, and be on a floor with a bunch of people they don't know. So maybe they make new friends or have new sexual relations.
मतलब more experience.
Yeah, it's experience based, right?
Yeah.
The only problem in the gig scene is that earlier, like, artists were running their own gigs. Like right now, the promoter sponsor festival has taken up a lot of mileage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But like live streaming, like for example, I think that the gig economy, अगर तू देखे post COVID, it's picked up.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
But
Everything experience based picked up.
Unlike theaters actually, because theaters are still a solo experience.
Yeah.
So
Movie is a solo experience.
Solo
na?
experience. So because like you're watching something,
And that OTT solved.
and that
actually.
OTT solved,
actually.
but OTT could not solve it, and YouTube could not solve it
For this,
for experience based.
you need to touch the person.
Yeah. Touch the person, feel it, be in that sound, and वो सबको पता है कि like it's a different experience completely. तो यार जाएगा आएगा पर gigs में the who's doing a gig may change.
मतलब live experience is different.
Yeah.
It's basically what theater is.
Exactly.
है ना?
Exactly.
है ना? It's like live. The gig
और
is theater
theater का
part.
हमेशा वो भरा रहता है. You know.
It's different. You have theater is something you go and experience, na?
Exactly.
So gig is same.
And theaters and theater also people.
Yeah.
Theater audience has increased.
Yeah, it has.
It has.
It is always increased, man.
Yeah.
And cinema will end up in phone eventually.
That's the big issue.
Yeah. It will. More solo. You can hide and watch.
Exactly.
you can like hide under sofa and watch. Yeah, that's there.
Exactly. तो वो तो चलेगा, but कौन कर रहा है? जैसे पहले like for example comedy became a big live thing.
Yeah.
So now influencers के साथ I can actually imagine like podcast guys who become very famous. Them doing live like theater podcasts, and that could like buying tickets to even जैसे तेरा Logan Paul और ये सब करते हैं. These guys are going on like, so the thing is the artist is now also combined with the entire influencer section.
Yeah.
And that influencer section is bigger than music. It's much bigger than music. So there are other things जो लोग कर रहे हैं which so the live what is happening live may change. I don't think the live experience will.
It will keep on evolving.
Yeah.
More things will get clubbed.
That's what I felt with the TikTok influencer thing. It was a festival stages thing.
Yeah.
जहाँ पे people who are selling makeup like tutorials or they're doing they have a makeup channel. And these guys are going on stage and talking about the makeup and people are watching. To me, it's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Right? Because I'm like, क्या हो रहा है?
What if they're talking about music then?
मतलब जाके music बजा लो यार. मतलब for me, if I go and watch something, maybe मैं put down. I want to see someone perform. Right?
Yeah.
Not talk. Unless you're doing comedy because that's talking performance. Or you're giving a lecture. That's also talking performance.
You need value from it basically.
कुछ तो value चाहिए. पर मैं जाके उधर जो मैं छोटे स्क्रीन पे करके बड़े स्क्रीन में करूं और किसी को दिख भी नहीं रहा. And people are watching. It's ridiculous, but people like it.
Yeah.
क्या करो?
Then why do you think they like it?
Because reality TV, bro.
Yeah, na? You're
Simple.
you're eavesdropping on something. Humans always
You're
like
reality
that.
TV, bro.
You always like eavesdropping on something.
By the number of people, like YouTube का अगर तू count देखे of how many people have switched to OTT platforms can't compete with YouTube.
No, you can't. People watch more YouTube.
People watch more
YouTube.
Because YouTube पे बंदा आ रहा है, बोल रहा है, कर रहा है, निकल रहा है.
Anonymity. I mean, you can write anything and run away. You can make fake 10 accounts.
Exactly.
Say anything. You can like be yourself on social media.
Exactly.
Basically, है ना भाई?
वो दुनिया बदल गई है.
Yeah.
Like ये एक मेरा famous, there's this famous guy called Max Norman.
Yeah.
He's one of my favorite producers. He अभी recently said there is no point in producing a world class album anymore. Wow. There is more of a point in तू music सीख रहा है, camera on करके सीख ले. That is better for your career than to make an unbelievable piece of music. If you're looking at it just as a career, not as an art. That's why like pure art channels have much less followers than
Yeah,
reality
nobody,
TV.
because art people don't understand, they're not even searching for it.
Exactly.
Simple
उनको
as
समझ
that.
में नहीं आता.
नहीं चाहिए भी नहीं उनको.
Let's say even like for music channels, guys who are teaching guitar or talking about doing reactions on music
Yeah,
are much bigger than the musicians who they're reacting to.
yeah.
It's hilarious.
I think it's because they bring music down to their level.
Yeah.
Like even my parents, they're a huge fan of like of these reactions.
Reaction channels, bro.
Because that person जो react कर रहा है, they relate with him.
हाँ, उससे relate
और
कर.
उसके reaction से उनको वो समझ आ जाता है. नहीं?
Exactly. और वही है ना, musician जैसे film director, musician, actor, these are people who are weird phenomenon.
Yeah.
We're a weird bunch of people.
Yeah, man. And what
But-
will happen with like for us eventually?
We'll be reacted to. हम नौटंकी करेंगे, कोई बोलेगा देखो अच्छी नौटंकी कर रहा है, तो यहाँ बढ़िया होंगे. ओके.
हाँ, नहीं भाई, सही बात.
हाँ.
मतलब जब शुरू किया था ये सब करना, डिड यू एवर थिंक ये सब हो जाएगा eventually?
No, not in my wildest dreams.
है ना? You were looking at Led Zeppelin and all, bro. उनके साथ कभी नहीं हुआ ये सब.
कुछ नहीं हुआ किसी के साथ.
And we learned from classical stuff, and we're living in this sci-fi world.
We're living in dystopia.
It's crazy.
भाई और सिंपल सी बात है, एवरीथिंग वी लर्न, लाइक व्हेन यू लर्न के हम कुछ कर रहे हैं,
Yeah.
पिक्चर बना रहे हैं, म्यूजिक बन रहे हैं या कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. पुराना तरीका था, अच्छी काम करो,
हाँ,
कोई बंदा आके पैसे लगाएगा, बड़ी चीज बनेगी, ठीक है, फिर उसको मार्केट करेंगे. मार्केट कैसे करते हैं? टीवी पे दिखाएंगे, रेडियो पे दिखाएंगे, पेपर पे करेंगे. इजी, वी गेट द वर्ड आउट एंड देन पीपल नो. नाउ नो वन वॉचेस द टीवी, नो वन लिसन्स टू द रेडियो,
Yeah.
एंड नो वन रीड्स द न्यूज़पेपर.
Yeah.
Social media is exactly according to what you want.
Social media is, as I think, has caused this fragmentation, na?
It's fucked it up.
It's fucked it up. Now people are looking everywhere.
People are looking everywhere and people have no idea.
Yeah.
जैसे social media, मैं देख रहा था YouTube का, if someone watches YouTube for, let's say, if all of YouTube,
Yeah.
it will take 176,000 years. So,
Okay.
no matter who you are as a person,
Yeah.
there is unlimited lifetime supply of watching stuff with exactly what you believe in. तो जो तू सोचेगा वो सही होगा.
हम
You
सबके
can't, अपने bubbles हैं यार.
Oh.
We are living in, like, we all have our own reality.
Yeah.
You take the same subject of anything,
Yeah.
and there'll be one guy who'll hate it, one guy who'll like it,
Yeah.
and there'll be millions of those guys. और तू मानेगा उसको.
Bro, maybe you have already answered the thing I was going to ask. कि इतना तरीके का म्यूजिक, इतना तरीके का आर्ट क्यों बनता है? इसलिए बनता है शायद क्योंकि
इसलिए बनता है?
इतने सारे डिमांड्स है, हर
इतने
तरह
demands
के
हैं।
पर्सपेक्टिव है अब, और सबको जगह मिल रही है, हर
Exactly.
बंदा को पेडिस्टल मिल गया है.
और and यार मतलब that is the, like, social media के साथ only advantage I think if you are the artist are,
Yeah.
कि अगर हम देखें कि exactly हम क्या करते हैं,
हाँ,
वैसे exactly तू कुछ भी कर ले.
हाँ.
I feel वैसे 1 million people will be there on the planet.
Yeah.
Maybe
yeah.
that's enough for your career, bro.
Lot.
You just need to touch those guys. That's it, you know. And that is the tough part. अगर मैं बुढ़ा भी हो जाऊं और मैं बुढ़ा होके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक म्यूजिक बनाऊं अपने कमर में चीची पुप्पू करते हुए, मेरे साथ 60 साल के कम से कम 100,000 बुढ़े होंगे ऐसे, और पूरी दुनिया में, of a population of 9 billion. That's all I need to reach.
Yeah.
I don't need to reach out to everybody. You know, that's the way I look at it, at least for art. Thank you. मतलब you do what you have, अभी कर सकते हो.
So, like coming back to your music, so what is your approach? Like तेरा जो म्यूजिक है भाई, आई तो ह्यूज फैन, बट वो बना वहाँ वो है ऐसा क्यों? ऐसा
Like first culture music or commercial music?
Your first culture music.
First culture music.
That's your music,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Yeah, it basically, I'll tell you, it combines everything that I've grown up on, which is कि I grew up as a metalhead. Then I started not liking metal in college. I started listening to a lot of Nine Inch Nails, Tool, Radiohead, electronic artists. From there I started listening to a lot of electronic music. From there I realized कि if you do computer music you can get rid of your band, so that was good. कि अगर अकेले बनाओगे तो शायद 4 लोगों के साथ ना रोकड़ा बांटना पड़े. Like this is good as a selfish egotistical person. So that made sense. So yeah, at the end of it I think it's just a mixture of everything that I want to do. And I don't, मतलब the thing is कि मुझे piss off होता है कि like it irritates me if I am like कोई बोले कि यार this guy is a house artist, techno बनाता है, and this guy is a metal artist. So I want to experiment, I want to move fast, like, you know, do everything that's in my head. देखी जाएगी. कुछ नहीं होगा, no problem.
So basically just following your impulse is what you're
Impulse, absolutely.
saying. So every track you have made
हाँ.
was based on your impulse.
Impulse, and now the whole 52 weeks videos thing that.
Yeah, what is that basically?
So I'm doing basically a music video, which I'm kind of animating, taking my brother's help, taking help from people like taking help के जहाँ पे I can finish it off. Give up a song every week. So it's a YouTube exercise. And once a month we release on Spotify. So the exercise music artistically for me is कि जनरली जब अपनी एल्बम निकालते हो, EP निकालते हो, तो you overthink it a lot. कि भाई सही नहीं है, ये बढ़िया नहीं है, this is not good, that's not. But I feel यार इंसान तो वही हो. मुझे आज कोई भी कपड़ा पहना दो यार, लगूंगा तो मैं ऐसे ही. You know, तो the point is no matter how much I course correct that piece of music, if I don't throw it and make a new piece of music, that piece of music will be what it is. And maybe a more abridged version of it. You know, so the idea was कि यार instead of going to that process, क्योंकि गाना बनाने में तो टाइम लगता है, उसको क्रिटिसाइज करने में ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. बैठ के भाई सही नहीं है, ये सही नहीं है, इधर ये टंग कर दो, टंग को हटा दे, इधर चक कर दे. It's useless nonsense. बनाओ, खत्म करो, put a video, put it out. Let, if anyone's interested, let them decide if it works. Because ultimately, what am I doing when I'm criticizing music? कि I am thinking for myself कि what the audience will judge. I don't know what you think, man. I can just think like myself. तो जहाँ मुझे feel आती है, बंद करो, गाना निकालो, देखी जाएगी.
That's a very good idea actually.
That's the way I do it, so that because I felt the biggest issue with me has been कि I think a lot about what will work, what will not work. Nothing I think is right.
Bro, I go through the same.
Yeah.
And we all try to
Bro, matlab, it's a
simplify
creative
it.
thing, yeah.
Simplify it. But like I still like I'm making a visual art.
Yeah.
So I try to make sure कि यार जो इसमें सब कुछ है वो सामने वाले को एटलीस्ट समझ आ जाए कि यार ये इसमें है क्या.
हाँ.
उतना तो अगर मैं छोड़ दूं कि यार जो मेरे को पसंद था वो उसको लगेगा कि ये साला क्या एलियन चीज बना गया.
बट वही है ना यार कि क्लाइंट के हिसाब से आई थिंक वी हैव टू थिंक ऑफ व्हाट द अदर पर्सन वांट्स टू लर्न एज अ क्लाइंट जजमेंट. But agar if you're putting it out in the masses, or you're putting it out in the ether, you never know, bro. Like I know people who love, like people hate David Lynch. People love David Lynch.
I love David Lynch.
I love David Lynch.
And some films are very bad also.
And they're very bad, but it's still like वो इतना पागल आदमी है.
I think he did this maybe. Yeah.
Because he's like, let's जिसको अच्छी लग रही है आ जा.
Yeah, you're right.
You know, मतलब मैं क्यों सोचूं कि सबको क्या पसंद आएगा, मुझे पता ही नहीं. We can't think like the masses, man. We can just think like us.
I think when we do that, refine our art, we are trying to like create our own palette, refine our own palette. हम ये कर रहे होते हैं कि सामने वाला हमको शायद simplify कर ले. यार ये इससे यही आता है. हाँ. Right?
Exactly.
I think when we are doing that, we are chasing that.
Yeah.
No, bro. I think that's a good idea not to chase that also.
Not देखिए मतलब क्योंकि हम पैलेट हम डाइल्यूट कर रहे हैं अपने आप को. क्योंकि समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि जैसे लाइक लेट्स से यू हैव नाखून, राइट, और अपने नाखून काट रहे हैं जैसे दूसरे बंदे को अच्छा ना लगे. मे बी दैट्स योर मोस्ट पावरफुल वेपन. Maybe you're meant to be a predator. Yeah. Like I don't know, man. Yeah. Like I don't know what your art is supposed to do. But
true. Like many people have asked me to go to therapy. I've always felt कि मैं क्या lose my swag. You never know what is working for me.
Why you lose the thing that makes you? Yeah. You never. What do you make? Condensed milk.
You never know what's working for you.
Exactly.
It's working.
हाँ. और तू जाएगा बनाएगा एंड में कि सब फिर and if you start thinking कि no, if I do this I'll get cancelled. If I say this then I'm an incorrect guy. If अगर मैं ऐसा गाना बनाऊँ तो उसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. ऐसे करूँ तो प्लेलिस्ट में आ जाऊँ. भाई ये करने आए थे हम.
नहीं कभी नहीं. हम तो एंजॉय करने आए थे.
मैं तो कहता हूँ कि भाई सब निकाल दो. सुनना होगा सुन लेंगे, नहीं सुनना होगा we'll keep doing it. As long as you love art and you love making it, what's the issue?
Bro, you sound making music so simple. What do you have to tell the person जो पिछले 6 महीने से गाने पे बैठा और अभी तक नहीं बन रहा? वो गाना क्यों नहीं बना पा रहा?
यार he's an insecure guy. The guy who's sitting for 6 months, he's insecure because he'll put it out. Then he fears कि उसके hits नहीं आएंगे तो उसको सोचने लगेगा कि मैं कुछ कर नहीं रहा. अपने मम्मी पापा को बोलेगा कि भाई 6 महीने से मैं बैठा हुआ था, मम्मी हिट नहीं हुआ. मम्मी will be like तूने अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया. तो he's afraid of what his parents will say. Then he's afraid of like his friends saying यार गाने फील नहीं आई यार, किक बड़ी होती तो मजा आता, वोकल कुछ और अच्छा लगता, तो उससे डरता है वो. Then he's afraid of rejection. It's not your song. You're just afraid of being rejected. Get rejected, big shit. क्या हो गया? फिर से कर लेंगे.
And like, why do you need people's feedback anyways?
Bro, and वो feedback, the thing is यार देख, unless तू गाना निकाला है 6 महीने में, अनलेस सम गाय इज पेइंग बिग टॉप डॉलर टू प्रमोट योर सॉन्ग, भाई वो उतने लोगों को भी पहुंचेगा। अगर कोई बंदा तेरे गाने के पीछे 20 लाख रुपए नहीं डाल रहा, तो तेरा गाना पहुंचेगा तेरे 500,000 लोगों के पीछे, खत्म, डन, मैक्सिमम ऑन अ गुड डे। On a bad day, 100 people, that's your audience. So you have to do this all the time to make an audience. If you don't have backing money, so just put it out.
So like these musicians जो hit हो गए हैं, जिनको मतलब TCS वगैरह like make good music videos and all. So like what kind of like money they get to make these kind of music videos and everything. आजकल तो बहुत लोगों का दिखता है मेरे को.
हाँ.
Like everybody is making good looking music video.
Yeah.
Everybody is recording a banger track. चाहे मतलब अच्छा engineered होता है काम, चाहे जैसा भी music हो.
Yeah.
But technically they are good.
Yeah, they're making good money because the people don't understand the
like
model.
Can you explain this entire atmosphere, entire environment that exists?
I can explain the model.
Yes.
Only major label work has that banger stuff. That type of complete or label back work. तो जो label कर रहा है, labels have back end deals with your Spotify, YouTube, इन सबके साथ, ठीक है? Now what T-Series has done is that they're not a record label, the world's biggest YouTube channel.
T-Series.
Yeah.
Okay.
मतलब they're bigger than PewDiePie के साथ ही चलते हैं.
वाह.
So what these guys are doing is कि उनका revenue earning तो ये सीधा पे आउट देते हैं.
ठीक.
तो बाकी का जो any other company would be like कि गाना निकालते हैं.
हाँ.
तेरा 30%, मेरा 30%. They're like कि पैसा ले, खत्म कर.
हाँ.
So they have a budget for and
so like T-Series सीधा एक अमाउंट देके फ्री कर देता है, बाकी
अब अगर सुपर हिट हो गया, it's not your money. You make your money from your shows. You're not making money from the track because you've given your money up, right? So now you've given your money up, then they say कि चल पैसा है, तो they have a fixed budget कि this guy will get that much traction, but the money they're giving you is dependent on how many people watch you because of you. Right, तो तूने पहले अपनी so how they're looking for people now is like there are influencers on Instagram or little kids sitting with their guitar and constantly doing it like कि भाई इसके तो 100,000 आ गए, तो if I amplify this guy, I have taken his right, so I make more money yet get his reach as well. और algorithm को क्या चाहिए? It needs that initial bump, that initial bump that singer or actor has given. उधर से the machine has started rolling. But then when the AI keeps recommending constantly to people, वो सारा पैसा T-Series का हो गया. तो the money completely depends on, I think they have a cost analysis on how much money they can make back from you.
And this thing continues anyway.
And this continues. So like if you look at record labels 20 years ago, it was basically a bank.
Okay.
तो तुझे like abroad the what do you call, the charge for a record was around $250,000.
Yeah.
करोड़ रुपए एल्बम बनाई थी, जो आज तक सोच भी नहीं सकती किसी को मिलता है, राइट? उसके अंदर बट द आर्टिस्ट हैड टू पे एवरीथिंग बैक. सो व्हाट दे यूज्ड टू डू वाज कि आपके एल्बम की प्रिंट की, प्रिंट करके स्टोर में डाली, करोड़ रुपए खर्चे, ठीक, तो आपको लगा डील मिली, आपको एक पैसा नहीं मिला, ठीक है, आपने खर्चा कर दिया, आपने अपने खर्चा किया, वो आपका नाउ दैट इज द क्रेडिट कार्ड यू स्पेंट. ओके, नाउ यू ओ इट बैक. तो पहले सीडी बेचते हैं और आपको टूर पे डाल देते हैं. दिस इज द ब्रॉड का फंडा, ठीक, एंड वो बेचते हैं और फिर आप जाओ गिग्स बजाओ, जब तक वो खर्चा वापस मिलेगा तब तक वो सारा पैसा उनका, उसके ऊपर उनका परसेंटेज. तो मतलब जस्टिन बीबर बिकेम आर्टिस्ट लाइक दिस. या everyone becomes an artist like this. Okay, like everyone was on a major label. Now the major label deal is ki recoupment till your streams have filled up your money. If you're an artist sharing, India में sharing होती नहीं. India में आपका buyout होता है. India में sharing बहुत ही कम लोग करते हैं. I think A.R. Rahman does it. Few people do it because they're that big. Because they know, right, कि if something is hitting 1 billion views, they know it's a lot of money, dude. Yeah. It's a ridiculous amount of money. And what artists also do, which is a cop out on all of our part, कि we keep selling our music. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं एक्चुअली कि हम जो भी पेमेंट आ रही है, मतलब लो इट वेरीज फ्रॉम लेट्स से 1-2 लाख रुपए टू 20 लाख रुपए टू 70 लाख रुपए, हमने उतने पे अपना फ्यूचर बेच दिया क्योंकि वो किसी और के चैनल हमारा नहीं बढ़ा हुआ, चैनल किसी और का था. इंस्टाग्राम इज नॉट मोनेटाइजेबल. तो ऑल आर, तो व्हाट वी एक्चुअली गिवन इज एवरी प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे मोनेटाइज हो सकते थे हम, वो हमने किसी और को दे दिया फॉर दैट इंस्टेंट बम्प. तो अब आपकी मर्जी है, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ आर्टिस्ट यू आर.
So mostly people do this only.
Yeah.
Okay.
हाँ.
So like this Guru Randhawa and all,
Huh?
they have profit sharing and all, or they also
पागल है प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग, मुझे नहीं लगता.
buyout and all.
सबका बाय आउट है.
Okay. They are just
होगा तो मुझे नहीं पता. आई एम सॉरी, आई डोंट नो व्हाट पीपल्स डील्स आर.
okay.
बट लाइक
So like यार भाई जैसे like I run this production house, I get so many calls from kids. कोई जसोला से फोन कर रहा है, कोई नोएडा से फोन कर रहा है, भैया मेरी म्यूजिक वीडियो बना दो,
हाँ.
मेरे को गाना गाना. ये क्यों है? ऐसा क्यों है?
यार क्योंकि अभी तक म्यूजिक
और कभी कभार some of them have money, they want to spend like 5-6 lakhs on this.
यार मुझे लगता है 6 लाख में बंदा अपने साल की वीडियो बना सकता है 50.
हाँ.
और वो करना चाहिए.
But उनको आता नहीं है वो करना.
और क्योंकि यू स्पेंड if you
So what you're saying
I'll
is
tell-
making an expensive music video is pointless.
unless you can do it 50 times.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah, because what is T series doing? They are making very high quality content, great dancers, great actors, superstars in the video, superstars on the song, superstars on the production. वो पूरा तेरा मतलब it's a huge expense,
It's a big production.
and they're constantly doing it. So the revenue they make is massive because viewers are watching it.
Basically, you have to compete with that,
You have to compete with that.
and you can't.
You can't. तो the idea is कि बिल्कुल फिर उल्टा कर दो, बोल दो नहीं ये पैसे गाना अच्छा बनाता हूँ, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, you know. But if you can compete with that once कि एक बार सब कुछ perfect करते हैं, कुछ नहीं होगा भाई.
But there is no perfection.
There's no perfection.
There's no perfection.
Perfection, and plus like if you have 6 lakhs to spend, you have to have it every week.
Yeah.
अगले because what is Saregama or T series or like any of our big labels, they are YouTube channels.
Yeah. Saregama to makes money from weddings also, bro. You buy
अब
license
कैसे?
and everything.
License से
That
खरीदना होता है.
TPL license you buy from
And they have the
Saregama.
biggest catalog.
All marriages in India, when they happen, they're paying a fraction like 50-60,000
Saregama.
to Saregama. Every marriage, guys,
Yeah.
you're paying Saregama.
Yeah,
I have
and it's
Saregama.
a
very good company.
big company,
Big
great company. I love it.
Lovely, lovely.
हाँ, सब lovely हैं, but they know how to make their money. तो YouTube में like they are not wasting their money को तो ज़्यादा बना रहे हैं उससे.
So like why did like all these Bollywood singers like Sonu Nigam and all stopped doing Bollywood songs?
यार ये तो थोड़ा सा industry issue है bro.
Okay.
Like I think it's like people do big songs and then यार overall ना मतलब I think artist का जो commercial cycle होता है ना,
हाँ.
it works for a few years. What मतलब basically I'll explain to the artist the cycle of any creative professional.
हाँ.
हम शुरू में आते हैं, मुझे सोनू निगम का कोई आइडिया नहीं है what happened or why people stop, but this is my guess. I'm guesstimating as a guy who works in this. कि हम आते हैं, हम कहते हैं सर अभी फ्री में कर देंगे, काम चाहिए.
हाँ.
हम फ्री में काम करते हैं, हम फ्री में काम करके थोड़ा सा हिट हो जाता है, फिर ज़्यादा पैसे मिलने लग जाते हैं, फिर हम कहते हैं और पैसे चाहिए. एक पॉइंट के बाद हो जाता है कि यू आर अ लिटिल ओल्डर, सो यू हैव योर नेम, बट सम यंग गाय इज मेकिंग अ लॉट मोर कमोशन, बट यू आर ओल्डर सो यू वांट मोर मनी. तो आप उधर मना कर दोगे और आपसे काम कराना मना कर देगा बंदा. बेसिकली इट्स बेसिकली every the entire I think business is profiting from when a guy grows from 0 to 60.
Logistics is everything.
Yeah, logistics is
Everything.
Yeah.
Business is logistics.
business logistics. And वही मतलब I feel as artist everyone has to be like कि हमारा commercial काम तो है, पर we have to figure how do I make money without anyone sir on my हाथ. मैं अपने सर के ऊपर से हाथ कैसे हटाऊं, ये बहुत important चीज़ है. मतलब मुझे लगता है it may be incorrect. That's what I feel.
Okay, so coming back to your music journey, bro. I remember 2015, 16, 17. You had a studio where people would come and record music. You would record their music, create albums, everything. And you would also had clients जिनकी आप ads वगैरह करते थे. We used to work together.
We done so much work together.
Yes, lot of ads. So eventually you decided to move to Mumbai. And over there, like you were leaving a studio working place, going there. That's a big decision. So let's talk about this journey, because this journey I didn't follow much. I would like to know what, like wherever you are right now is very good, but how what challenges you went through? क्या देखा?
अभी चैलेंज ही है. चैलेंज ही है. बस उठ के निकल गया तो बस वापस.
मतलब अपना स्टूडियो आप छोड़ के गए एक और स्टूडियो बनाने. You had a
यार
working
I
shop.
think like everybody, the entire studio, all of us wanted to go.
Yeah.
We went there. Uddar unfortunately we like.
So no, you just decided to go. That
we
was
just decided
happened.
to go.
Okay.
And everyone in the studio wanted to go. So we were like, ठीक है चलते हैं.
ठीक है.
It wasn't, I would say, a highly logical decision,
Okay.
you know.
Okay.
But it was like this is where the work seems to be, and that time it was.
Hmm.
So we went and everyone had their like things.
Hmm.
उधर गए फिर 2 years I spent running around with more famous people.
So they just straight away entertain you, looking at your portfolio.
Yeah, so people start entertaining you. But the only problem is what you don't realize when you get to Bombay is that people who are more famous than you don't give you more money. So actually it was quite a loss making experience for me for 3 or 4 years. Where like I was meeting people who were up in the ranks, but I was just being asked to do work for free because my portfolio was jolly and it was ads. I was trying to get into songs. गाने बेचते करते हैं तो 3-4 साल बहुत पिटा मैं.
मतलब क्या
5
पिटाई
साल.
होती थी?
पिटा में तो पैसे नहीं मिलते थे bro.
Okay.
मतलब you're working, there's no money. मतलब पैसे
You're
कोई
working
दे
every
नहीं
day
रहा.
like a professional.
Yeah,
at
you're
somebody's
working like a
studio.
professional. You're getting no money because like everyone is trying to get you to do stuff for exposure. And you, because I'm from Delhi bro, मतलब हमने नहीं देखे कि हमारे मैं बिल्डिंग में नीचे हूँ और ऊपर एक्टर अपना ऐसे कूड़ा फेंक रहे हैं, नहीं देखा मैंने. बॉम्बे वालों ने देखा है. उनकी मतलब their lives are not much better. They are much worse than a Delhiite's life.
Yeah, that's true.
Right?
Yeah.
So, because I've not seen it, you get a little enamored. So, I got enamored कि हाँ मतलब maybe this is the way I keep doing work for more famous people and maybe I'll get something from it. But you get nothing. You have to figure out your own way, and the only thing I would say, like if a young guy is moving there, कि make a monetary deal. If you're not getting money, don't work. मत करो, because there are Bombay I think is 100 times worse than Delhi. Any other place I've been to, for people wanted to make you work for free. मतलब कोई पैसा नहीं देना रहता.
Okay.
Yeah, तो पैसा तो तभी then after 5 years of that I shifted to just creating songs and licensing them. So I found a couple of licensing companies जैसे like Hooper एक company थी. Then I found some more ad places. 2 साल I sold as much as I could to cover up the debt. Now I'm in a decent place, like making songs, doing whatever.
So like, how does this licensing thing work? They put your music for like they sell it
So-
out for other commercial works and all.
Yeah, so yeah. So no, so the company that I did a lot of work for, like licensing वाला, not the ad stuff. ऊपर का था कि उनके लिए हम गाने बनाते हैं, and they give a subscription out to users.
Okay.
So you can on subscription get my track.
Okay.
So I get payouts for.
So like, if I want to use your track, I get
Yeah.
it from Hooper
Yeah.
for a fee,
Yeah.
and then I can use it anywhere I want.
Exactly. So I got into
Okay.
that licensing scene for a while,
Okay.
quite a bit.
Okay.
So
Okay.
with them, with a couple of बाहर का companies. Just
Okay.
ये मैंने बहुत किया. साथ में mixing, mastering. So did a lot of mixes for radio ads, for artists, for a lot of the hip hop guys. Then a lot of. Now I'm into like creating songs and selling them. So that's the journey, because that's what I wanted to do when I wanted to move to Bombay. But like first 2-3 years financially it became very tough for me. So उसके बाद निकल के अभी इधर पहुंचे. फिर कोविड आ गया.
Yeah.
So that was kind of the Bombay journey. But Bombay में like Bombay मतलब you have a music producer, you have 10 of them in a house. Plus like with AI and stuff, I feel जो background music होता है, जो तेरा ad के पीछे where the music doesn't matter, that is going to get completely automated. Like I don't think that has the future.
Like, people will only look to get new melodies made, otherwise.
Yeah, melodies भी AI makes amazing melodies. Bro.
Yeah.
So people, so unless you can play or are actually talented at getting the whole thing done properly, unless you have a name or a creating an intellectual property, वो long term में फंसने वाला काम है.
So right now, like, as a music producer, you think AI is like a good thing or like a challenge?
I think it sucks. I think it sucks. It's very bad for us.
Okay.
Because I think you know what will happen from AI.
What?
I was working AI, तो AI is amazing at जैसे हमें काम मिलता है, commercial काम brief पे है.
हाँ.
AI मैंने अभी I use Suno AI, Udio AI, I use a couple of these guys. They are amazing at generating music from briefs. तो prompt देगा, गाना रहता है, तो you get exactly what you were looking for. So what will happen with AI will be कि तुमने गाना निकाल लिया, but the guy wants to do something else, so you'll re-sync what the AI made, or you'll use the melody of the AI. So people will start. अभी तक AI was copying from us, but because AI is much better at delivering a brief than a human,
So that will
Humans
be
will start copying from AI.
That will be the inspiration.
And that will be the music. So even human generated music, I think in 4 years, जो खुद भी कर रहे हैं,
कम हो जाएगा.
50% तेरा inspired from AI होगा. वो बोलेगा lyrics by Arsh. मैं बोलूँगा right, but lyrics लिखवाए हैं मैंने,
हाँ,
melody लिखवाई है.
हाँ,
Like I did this test of like writers smacking Bollywood track,
yeah,
like in the style of what I wrote some prompt ki write an amazing Bollywood track with dhols and Indian percussion about a sister being joyous at her sister's wedding.
okay.
Amazing track, bro. Super hit. Like like it's like Chat GPT for music, and it is देख बढ़िया है, but it's very bad because it's all brief based.
Yeah,
I think the only thing that we और हमारे ना पिछले 20 साल से through streaming, through सब कुछ ऑटो ट्यून हुआ है, सब कुछ एक तरीका साउंड करता है. We are not creative anymore.
we are getting lazy.
We are getting lazy, right? And this will make it even less creative. Like you listen, why doesn't music strike you the way it used to strike you?
Yeah,
Because it's not creative. हम सब रेफरेंस पे काम कर रहे हैं. और by the way सब लोग रेफरेंस पे काम करते हैं. I'm just telling everybody out there. All pop music
yeah.
is made on reference.
Like there's a reference first, and
Yeah.
then you.
This
build
is
on
the
it.
sound we want to do. ये करते हैं. Whereas back in the day वो Frank Zappa का एक interview है, where he said कि the best music was made when there were a bunch of rich guys
हाँ,
who had a lot of money and said कि तुम करो जो करना है, चलेगा चल जाएगा. That's why guys in the 60s 70s experimented.
yeah,
Like once we got like all these young guys were like, no man, this works. This is what's cool.
yeah.
वो रेफरेंस ही दे रहे हैं तुम्हें बैठ के. तो commissioned work, I don't think anyone's commissioned work is what they would do if they stripped away all these layers. And then we copy people's commissioned work.
Yeah.
So young artist is sitting and hearing someone got something that someone got commissioned for and copying that. तो copy तुम देख लो. And now the commissioned work will be coming from AI. So like even the whole YouTube algorithm जो हम करते हैं कि crack करना है. You're trying to crack an AI. We are
Yeah.
making stuff for AI,
Yeah.
not for humans. Then it gets directed to humans. But AI is controlling us more than we know even right now.
So like original work, you are saying is gone in music almost.
चला जाएगा.
अभी आप
अभी तो है. अभी तो है 4-5 साल तक.
तो लोग मतलब ओरिजिनल आर्टिस्ट आएंगे ही नहीं, वो बोलेंगे क्या
यार
करना है?
आएंगे ओरिजिनल आर्टिस्ट, पर वो उनका काम ओरिजिनल होगा. जो मेलोडी जैसे मैं अगर बोलूँ
They'll forget.
the melody will be AI generated and I'll
Basically,
re-sing it.
AI will change the process of making music.
Making music, exactly.
Basically, is what you're saying.
Because you might not be able to sell the AI stuff क्योंकि वो copyrighted. मतलब it has fragmentation, no? Because they are sampling people's stuff.
And with like AI, many people may not even like hire musicians. Then they would like कि मेरे लिए enough है ये जो
I
बना के दे
think
रहा है.
जो तेरा background ads का काम है
हाँ,
वो उड़ जाएगा. I think there's no need, मतलब जहाँ पे इंस्ट्रूमेंटल ट्रैक बनानी है.
मेरे को लगता है आने वाले शायद 2-3 साल में लोग ऑडियो विजुअल काम तो ऐसे करेंगे. बहुत
हद तक.
हाँ.
That's why I feel कि like हम जो creatives हैं, हमारे लिए it's a very hectic thing to see. We just have to be creative. The only way, because it's based
It's a
on the
time
past.
to explore your creativity
Yeah,
more
because-
than depending on the market.
Because the AI is based on the past and the market.
You can use it.
You have to go beyond the AI.
You can use it as a tool,
Yeah.
simple, and build your own empire.
Build exactly.
Yeah.
And build your own creativity.
Yeah.
क्योंकि because like but अगर हम रेफरेंस करें कि हमें उसकी तरह गाना है,
हाँ.
वो है तेरे से बहुत बेटर कर सकता है.
हाँ, need है. जल्दी भी करते हो.
हाँ. 1 सेकंड में 50 गाने निकल गए. You know, हाँ.
तो भाई,
हाँ.
like coming back to commercial work,
हाँ.
like Bombay में you do a lot of ads.
Yeah. I used to do a lot of ads. Right now, not that many.
Okay, anyways, like let's talk about that experience. So how is it working commercially?
यार it's good, but it's decent money, but I think organization जो होती है 20 मतलब over there I've just like it's not a lot, they're not very organized.
Like if somebody wants to crack it, there's some musician who सोचता है कि मैं I want to make some money doing this. How can
यार
you?
be just go to people,
Yeah.
show your tracks. I would say just download 10 ads you like and score them. Go to a production house, दिखा के भाई मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. उसके पीछे से म्यूजिक उड़ा दे, अपना डाल दे. If you have no production work, go to a place, show the guy, show it to 20 guys, because Bombay just has a lot of production houses. If they like you, they'll give you work. But the only thing with ad work, especially, is that I've realized it happens very in the last minute, and वो 3 दिन तुम खत्म हो जाते हो. तो that's up to you.
Like why do you say that?
यार उधर there are too many people in the chain.
Okay. You have to please everybody.
Not to, they have to please each other.
Okay.
So they are giving us briefs, right? कि भाई
हाँ.
यार अच्छा गाना है, बहुत अच्छा है, मैं देता हूँ आगे. नहीं इसकी मेलोडी काम नहीं कर रही. सर जी मेलोडी खराब हो गई. अरे उसने मना कर दिया. There's people are not taking the lead. They are kind
Yeah.
of it's full of middle management. Middle management is a curse
For art creation, anything.
for anything, bro.
Anything,
मतलब
anything. bureaucracy. Basically.
bureaucracy. It's
Bureaucracy.
bureaucratic. And वही हो गया with like I've been on groups where there are 2 artists,
Yeah.
but 20 people judging it.
Yeah.
मतलब there's a guy who's sitting there who's being paid money by a company to just say कि भाई मजा नहीं है. मतलब you know it is what it is, man. Like, you know, but you have to deal with a lot of bureaucracy. That is the second part. First, to get the job. To get the job, if you have no ad experience, I would say take 10 ads from YouTube, download them, take out the music, create your track, score it to the music, ले जा प्रोडक्शन. उसके बाद देख कोई तो हाँ बोलेगा.
बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है. Why wait for something? Do this.
हाँ मतलब
very
पहले ही
बहुत
उठा
अच्छा
के
idea.
हाँ मतलब अपना डाउनलोड करो.
Some maybe you end up doing better than what
Exactly.
was there.
Exactly. So you show people what you can do on top of visual.
Yeah.
Because that's what an agency is looking for, right? A guy to put idea to your visual. You show what you can do with a visual, they'll hire you. Because abhi, if you go with just your music, it doesn't work. Because then you're showing a song. A song, you have to show how does it work to the film. You're reacting to the film. You're not doing your own thing. So just 10 ad download करो, rescore them, और 1 महीने लाके सबसे मिल के आ जाओ. वो मिल जाएगा कुछ ना कुछ.
Very good, man. That's a good idea for anybody who's starting.
Yeah, I think it's a very simple and works.
So, what is like your process for working for films? जब फिल्म का स्कोर करता है आदमी भाई, तो what's your approach? और how is it different than everything else? मतलब जो ad का काम हो गया, gig का काम हो गया, अपना म्यूजिक हो गया, उससे ये बिल्कुल अलग कैसे दिखता है?
Yeah, I think a film score like is very different because an ad is like a film score is all about the theme. Like, so you have to understand the film, you have to understand the emotion of the film, you have to understand कि कहाँ पे हमें क्या डालना है और क्यों डालना है. So उसका एक script, like I love to read the script. I love to, after reading the script, sit with the director and figure out what music does he imagine on it. Because like in a film, the first thing is, as a music, like I think this is something which always happens. Like as a musician, I have to take away my ego and realize it's the director's vision, and he has an idea. I can enhance it. I can maybe take him par it, but it has come from someone's head. Similarly, when it's a music video being made, it's my song being translated. So it's my vision, right? So this is the translation जो दोनों में होता है. मतलब so I think in a film, firstly I put myself in a level कि I'm like कि तेरी कहानी है, your dream, your project. Let's figure. You give me the script, let me read it. Show me the music you like. Then I'll show you back references. तो पहले I think just an exchange of music for a long time, then figuring out कि कहाँ पे क्या हो सकता है. Then we start placing it. तो I think अगर pre-production तो पहले अच्छा कर लो, तो picture अच्छी बन जाएगी. मतलब I really think so.
So you're saying like music बनाना pre-production में start कर देना चाहिए,
हाँ.
even before the film is shot.
Yeah, like I think because the director knows what he wants, right? Sometimes they don't.
Yeah, I don't. For music, man, I'm mostly lost.
हाँ, but
Yeah.
but you roughly know the film you like, right?
Yeah, like
तुम्हें you don't, even if you don't know the music, मैं अगर जैसा बैठ के like we see 3 films कि भाई मुझे लग रहा है ये फिल्में बहुत सही हैं, मैं ऐसा मतलब ऐसा नहीं होगा, but I think this is where I'm thinking. So I get an idea of what might be happening. The script is very important.
yeah.
Then एक दो like make a 30-second piece and show to you, भाई मुझे लग रहा है इस scene में this can be a theme for that character. And plus like maintaining theme, man. Like I think in a lot of Indian films we miss that a lot.
Yeah.
We don't maintain. We are not thematically consistent.
We're just copying.
No.
It feels
and,
like
and,
that.
And हमारे copying से ज़्यादा यार हमारे में सब कुछ last minute होता है. तो what happens is that a lot of times तुम्हारा 82nd ADs are coming and getting the film done. And मतलब कि ये कर दो. And I think in Indian filmmaking, for some reason, we react too much to the emotion of the action rather than the theme of the film.
We amplify it.
We amplify the action too much.
We like use music to amplify it a lot.
The action. Whereas
Yeah.
if you see most films that I love,
It should be married.
It should be
Music
married.
and visual should be married.
Music should be varied and over a thematic, मतलब कि ये पर्पस है कि अभी मैं हंस रहा हूँ पर क्यों हंस रहा हूँ and वो क्यों is directed from the theme of the film. So the music of the film has to bleed into that as well. We can't make it horror, comedy, suspense, drama in 30 seconds, which we do in India a lot.
Yeah.
Like I
Push button
हर
emotions,
जगह
man.
मतलब कोई फायदा नहीं है.
नहीं.
Easy, lesser. हमारे में also overscore लो.
Yeah.
These are my criticisms, like, but वो तो सबके होंगे यार.
People are enjoying it somehow.
You're giving it. People enjoy anything.
Don't you think most of the Bollywood films are made just for, and even the music, particularly the music, is just to cater to wedding market?
It's only for weddings.
है ना?
तेरा पूरा Bollywood देखिए.
भाई सारे गाने ही शादी बजने के लिए होते हैं.
तू सिंपल सा सोच यार, 3 ही तो इमोशन है मतलब देसी फिल्म के अंदर.
मतलब I'll just I work out, so in the gym जब somebody plays Bollywood ना, मेरे को लगता है कि शादी होने वाली है.
भाई और इमोशन ही नहीं है, 4 इमोशन है.
यही फीलिंग आती है.
तू खुश है, तू दुखी है, तू शादी पे खुश है, तू शादी पे दुखी है.
हाँ.
तेरा दिल, your lover, like you got your lover left you.
Yeah.
Indian cinema exists on these 6 emotions.
Yeah, man.
There's nothing else. It's pretty sad, but it is what it is.
They're not thinking from, we're thinking from maybe.
Yeah, thinking from somebody else.
Yeah.
पर वो हो गई ना यार, हो गई. यार एक बात है सिंपल सी यार, मतलब we are still at a point where most of us, like the audience, the big companies want to cater to,
Yeah.
we're still not a point where we are a developed nation. मतलब like to think like some of the countries of the art you like.
Independent thinking doesn't exist.
Independent, it doesn't think there are lesser people. They have money, they have time for dissecting art. कि to think कि जब खाना पेट भरा हो, लाइट कभी जाए ना, जिंदगी अच्छी हो, तभी तो सोच सकते हो यार कि यार मतलब मुझे लगता है ये शॉर्ट सही नहीं है. उसके पहले तो everything is an escape, man. You're working 12 hours a day.
It's like
doing
rodent
hard
mentality
labor.
basically.
हाँ,
जो मिल गया ले गए यार.
हाँ, जो मिला ले गए.
वही है.
और जितना फास्ट, जितना क्विक. Like if you look at Indian films, actually they're very similar to, if you've seen reels made for children on TikTok.
Okay.
Like super flashy, lots of cuts, lots of धड़ाम धड़ूम. तो children get addicted to those. वो already proven है TikTok पे. तो अगर तो हमारे Indian screening behavior देखेगा, it's very similar to like what children watch on the reels. We are like grown up babies.
No, I actually like think this कि यार तुम फिल्म ऐसी क्यों बना रहे हो या कुछ भी कंटेंट ऐसा क्यों बना रहे हो कि तुम in the end सोशल मीडिया से compete करो. Like you're ruining that experience. You're bringing
ruining the film. You're ruining
bringing that art form down to this level.
Exactly. Like, and I think social media से compete करना बकवास है.
बकवास.
But I think the only way to use social media in a film would be to just document the entire process. There should be a second film rolling, which is filming the filmmaking. और वो तेरा social media content में बस.
I have to go back to one thing that I wanted to ask you, bro, and that is your education. I remember you went to LA to a film music school, I guess.
New York,
yeah. So tell me about that, because there are a lot of people who are still learning music.
यार बकवास था, कोई फायदा नहीं है.
Okay. तो को म्यूजिक बनाना सीखना है.
हाँ.
तो
कहाँ पे बनाना है? If you want to learn it in the US, because
मतलब कोई बच्चा है जो ये देख रहा है जिसको यार म्यूजिशियन बनना है, जिसका सपना है, उसको क्या करना चाहिए?
कहाँ पे बनना है पहले? अगर if you want to like score in the US, I would say NYU is amazing. Because your film scores, you learn how to work with arrangers. I gave a piece of paper of score I wrote to a guy who was working on The Lion King.
Okay.
It's amazing. Like he's the guy who played violin on The Lion King. He's the guy who played it.
Okay.
So when you're working abroad, they are working at a very high level.
Yeah.
Like, in fact, when I went to NYU, my professor was like, "Oh, you're working in India." They hugged me. And they said, "We don't work with people in India." Because they're like, because they come last minute, they have too many demands. So, if you're working in the US, जहाँ पे जब मैं क्लास में आया तो पहले कहते हैं कि if this course is too stressful for you, right? Please talk to, we have a mental health counselor on campus.
Okay.
ये बोला कि it can be too stressful. मैंने कहा बहुत काम कराएंगे भाई.
हाँ.
मैं पहुंचा उधर था कि okay, over the next 3 weeks we will make one piece of music.
अच्छा.
For 30 seconds. मैंने कहा ये तो मेरा भाई दिल्ली में 2 घंटे मांगता है. मैंने तो you know like for them that extreme stress and that they're working, bro, they're working as artists because the entire system has somebody like the music supervisor has already told you what they want, then they given you time, then they want reiterations, you want to talk about it. इंडिया में भाई क्रिसमस हुई है,
हाँ
25 दिसंबर सबको पता है क्रिसमस होती है,
हाँ
रात के 10 बजे 24 दिसंबर को फिर फिल्म मिलेगी कि कल
अच्छा।
पिक्चर ऑन टॉप जानी है,
अच्छा
कहाँ से करोगे यार? तो लाइक NYU is amazing and studying abroad is amazing if you can somehow manage to stay there. If you want to come back here, learn how to भाई बटन दबा जल्दी फास्ट, कुछ नहीं. Like that education is not transferable to India.
and they don't appreciate it.
India?
हाँ
No, there's no appreciation for
they
anything.
won't even ask कि तू पढ़ के कहाँ से आया है कुछ.
कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता.
ठीक.
भाई वो तो हमारे काम में किसको फर्क पड़ता है?
हाँ
India में you look at even as a guy, have we ever asked anyone what they studied? We just ask कि can you give us what I require?
and खर्चा क्या है?
खर्चा क्या है?
हाँ.
क्या अपना काम दिखा,
हाँ
बढ़िया काम है, कर सकते हैं, हाँ खत्म. Plus like यार मतलब like abroad like I also feel the entire industry is educated. Everyone's been to a school and a college. Every actor on a set is an amazing singer.
conditioning is different.
हाँ, that's not the case in India. हमारे यहाँ actors are sons of actors, right? Like वहाँ every actor is unbelievable. They get up and they sing amazingly, they dance. They are a proper theatre performer or a so वो बहुत heavy level के actors हैं because they're studying throughout. हमारे यहाँ कितना पढ़ते हैं यार? हमारे यहाँ we are all hustlers bro. मैंने भी कहाँ पढ़ा? हसल करके सीखा है. तो you know मतलब अगर बाहर कर रहे हो, I think your brain has to be wired very differently. It's a little easier, but it's also tougher because you have to be with a group of people और वही करना पड़ेगा जो होना चाहिए. तो वो same मतलब that's what I feel. Like you know कि हमारे a lot of things we learn abroad are not applicable.
We are different
India.
civilization world.
हम different हैं भाई.
Universe है लगा हमारा.
भाई गुलाब जामुन खाते हैं,
हाँ अच्छा भी है.
चाशनी के अंदर चाशनी with roasted चाशनी. कमाल, it's a different flavor.
Yeah.
No one has this.
They can't even think of it.
They can't think of this. Okay, we'll have sweetened sugar.
Yeah.
You know, so we are a different bunch of people, bro. And it's good. It's very entertaining. And the thing, if you notice now, is the world is trying to become like us. TikTok, Reels. क्योंकि जनता इधर है.
नहीं, आई हैव सीन कि भाई जो भारतीय गाने हैं वही शादी वाले गाने बाहर बन रहे हैं.
बाहर बन रहे हैं.
हाँ.
और बनने लगे कि उनको पता है कि डेमोग्राफिक इधर है.
नहीं, हमारा टाइम आ गया शायद इसलिए हो रहा है, या फिर इस पे बंदा डांस अच्छा कर सकता है इसलिए हो गया.
भाई बच्चे ज्यादा हैं. गोरों के बच्चे नहीं है.
ऑडियंस नंबर.
देयर मोर नंबर्स. India is a number factory, bro. India make a cost per click from an Indian
zero
is 1/10 the cost from abroad. We are an advertiser's dream. तो हमें तो डांस रील कंपटीशन के लिए बने यार हम लोग. Like that is our make in India. We make reels.
Good man. Good insight.
That's what I feel.
No, good enough.
Yeah.
I have this query about the streaming platforms.
हाँ.
Like the Spotify and all. Like again, बाहर तो for you get a lot more money than you get in India.
Yeah.
है ना, but you have more views in India maybe.
Yeah.
And you're making music in regional languages and all.
Yeah.
So like, is there anything people making out of it?
Money.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay.
Because our streaming is lesser, our numbers are good. For example, India is, I think, one of the highest number of people on YouTube is Indians.
I think हाँ, social media पे we are
Social
number
media
one.
पे
We are commenting on everybody's.
भाई तू बोल के देख एंटी इंडिया को चढ़ आएंगे तेरे पे.
हाँ नहीं.
नहीं कर सकते. मतलब तो like I feel people are making a lot of money. Secondly, what they are also doing is like यार देख, so if you can capitalize, if you have people on your side, you have social capital, bro. Social capital मतलब कि ये ad revenue तो एक ही चीज है. No one's earning from that. Then you have sponsors, because that's the new advertising. To get a sponsored shout out by an influencer, so you have shout outs, you sell your courses, you have private videos which are more expensive. So once you have people watching you, you have 100 other things to sell. भाई फिर तो घर बेच दे यार 10 गुना के प्राइस पे, फिर तो सब कुछ बेचने का है. तो the key is to actually get the audience. If you have the audience,
Like
it's
if you like compare it with what you had like tapes and CDs
हाँ.
and all, money coming from
No,
that
no,
is
that-
was better or this is better?
way better with tapes and CDs.
Okay.
The music industry is dead because of tapes and CDs dead.
Yeah, like भाई पहले 90s and all everybody
भाई,
was a big
एक-
star. जिसके टीवी पे म्यूजिक वीडियो आ गया
भाई
वो
अगर
star है.
तुमने 90s पे एक I have had 4 major label releases,
क्या?
right? If in the 90s you had 1 major label release, you never had to make money again. Because आपका भाई मतलब 650 रुपए की सीडी आती है, 650 रुपए people are complaining about that's the price on Netflix for infinite films, right? People used to pay $650 for 12 tracks. Like, and that's what the problem is कि you're so, like what's happening is
And you would keep it क्योंकि खर्च किया बार-बार सुनता था आदमी.
you used to get into it, you used to start dreaming about it.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah, yeah. You'll
Like,
carry it to your trip.
Right
and
now
all.
there is no one cares about that. No one cares. Bro, you're competing with a dancing meme of a cat
Yeah.
that probably has way more meme views than you.
Yeah.
Your music reaches much lesser people than a guy sitting and tickling another guy on camera.
Mm.
You know. तो पुराने टाइम में तो यार कदर थी है, मतलब लोग सुनते भी कैसे थे, सिस्टम खरीदते थे, सिस्टम में उठ के उसमें कैसेट डालते थे, फिर स्पीकर होते थे, फिर हम अपनी ड्रिंक लेते थे, फिर गाना सुनते थे. अभी फोन उठाया चका 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 खत्म आगे जाया, like you know, it's like music has been reduced to, everything has been reduced
Yeah,
to
bro.
quick content, which is sad but it is what it is. अब कुछ तो we have to figure out work around ना, क्या करें.
Mm.
मतलब, and the problem is, you know why? It's all these companies are IPO companies.
Mm.
So, none of them are profitable.
Mm.
But to keep customer acquisition, they keep lowering the prices. अब Spotify तुझे कहाँ, YouTube तुझे कहाँ से पैसे देगा when it's barely being able to sell premium के subscription.
हाँ यार.
मतलब
200 बार ऐड देख लेते हैं हम 2 दिन में, कोई फिर भी नहीं खरीदता.
नहीं खरीदते, मतलब तो ऐड देगा ही. क्या ऐड से कमा रहा है, जितना कमा सकता है. Spotify अपनी सब्सक्रिप्शन बेच ही नहीं पा रहा. You know, तो 650 रुपए नेटफ्लिक्स मांगता है, लोग कहते हैं बहुत ज्यादा है. भाई दुनिया की सारी पिक्चरें मिल रही हैं तुम्हें. हम जब बच्चे होते थे
यार ऑनेस्टली आई विल बी वेरी फ्रैंक, मेरे फोन में Spotify है भी नहीं. आई जस्ट
मेरे भी नहीं.
मैं बस YouTube में गाने सुनता हूँ.
हाँ, सभी सुनते
सब
हैं.
कुछ उसमें है.
हाँ,
उतना ही टाइम का गाना है Spotify में सुन लो या YouTube में इनफैक्ट देखने को मिलता है YouTube.
देखने में मिलता है. YouTube is a bigger.
I don't even have any
YouTube anyway is
streaming.
100 times bigger than Spotify.
Yeah, like
It's way bigger.
I never even opened. I don't even know उसका इंटरफेस कैसा दिखता है. मैंने खोला ही नहीं है.
नहीं, सही बात है.
मैंने से YouTube ही देखा है.
और सही बात है, because तुम मतलब भाई मतलब वही है यार कि
Yeah.
I think this digital streaming thing will collapse. I think the bigger guys like Apple, like content can only be made in the long term by
Amazon
either independent
or
guy
these people.
or Amazon, Apple,
Yeah.
or Google. Like I think even Netflix and Spotify are too small.
Yeah, like I was thinking कि यार इतने OTT है, but look at Amazon.
हाँ.
हमने एक सब्सक्रिप्शन ली प्राइम. You have your app, you have music, you get so much.
Why? Because they don't care about the content. The
And-
content is an added के chocolate.
Yeah,
They
and,
want you to buy their shit and get everything
and
else.
most of
running.
the content बड़ी like जैसे Bollywood films वगैरह जो प्राइम पे आती है, सीरीज आती है, Bollywood actors, bro, they show it as an expense कि यार हमारा
Yeah.
marketing expense है.
भाई टैक्स बचा रहे हैं.
It doesn't matter to them कि वो चलना भी है कि नहीं.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It's just tax.
So Netflix is competing with that.
And it's very tough.
You can't win.
Because your vertical is wrong.
Yeah, you
Your
can't
vertical is कि मैं फिल्म बनाता हूँ, गलत vertical है. Your vertical is to become the world's biggest online reseller.
win. Yeah.
That guy.
And Netflix, I don't think even knows what is good cinema, bro. उनका starting में कुछ होता होगा.
हाँ.
It was like very niche in 2017-16
हाँ.
की यार
अब
Netflix.
वही.
I don't know. I don't even care honestly.
Most people don't. वही हो रहा है.
Yeah, bullshit.
And plus, bro, on top of it,
Yeah.
what is happening now with most people I've seen is that you have flooded us with so much shit
Yeah.
that we end up going to YouTube and just clicking on what's the first thing.
Yeah. So, bro, like coming back again to you, you grew up in a world when Beatles वगैरह की कहानी होती थी.
हाँ.
And you're living in a world जहाँ पे मतलब Blade Runner 2074 चल रहा है.
हाँ हाँ.
In terms of
मतलब we're living in AI apocalypse.
So like, does it affect your mental health and stuff, bro? Like you look at stuff कि यार तेरी training इसके लिए थी, and you're fucking you're competing with something you're not even
Yeah,
trained
bro,
for.
I look at it in the sense of like I have developed a very big sense of humor about this.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm living in a dystopian film
Yeah.
and I have to survive and we have to survive. देखते हैं क्या हो सकता है, करते हैं. It affects my mental health very badly. But I have outsourced it to my subconscious so that
Bro,
my dreams get fucked.
I meet a lot of artists and I've sensed this frustration
भाई बकवास है bro.
in most of them. I sense this frustration. Like,
भाई तू मिड जर्नी देख, एक प्रॉम्प्ट से पूरे बंदे जो ड्रॉ करता था.
no, even prior to Mid Journey, like since we started doing work, I would say we started 2000. I started 2014.
Yeah.
So I've even from then, always like whenever I meet some artist, उनके ना हमेशा सपने होते हैं बहुत ऊंचे, ठीक है, and whenever they're doing something ना, they feel कि हम वहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे उससे. They're always feeling this, and this is reality.
Yeah.
ठीक है, दिख नहीं रहा होता वहाँ पे, of course, पता है कि यार कुछ नहीं होना, हमको तो experience समझ आ जाता है. But when I meet them, I don't want to burst their bubble, but it's always there.
Yeah.
It's always there. So and then I think यार ये साला मतलब अभी जब फिल्म बना रहा है, ये जो भी फिल्म बना रहा है, ग्रेड करा रहा है मुझसे, एडिट करा रहा है, जो भी कर रहा है, इसको एंजॉय कर रहा है, इसको लग रहा है कि लिविंग अ ड्रीम. व्हेन इट विल एंड एंड यू स्टार्ट पुटिंग इट आउट, इट ऑल कम्स डाउन क्रैशिंग.
But the thing is,
It comes down crashing everybody. Nobody.
Everybody because the model is incorrect.
Yeah. And
ये
this
model
model,
पुराने टाइम में चल सकता था.
this model, that's what I'm saying. Na, training is from that
25
model.
साल पुराना पहले मॉडल चल सकता था.
Training is from that model, and you're executing in something else.
Exactly. Right now अगर तुम गाना बना रहे हो, अगर हर हफ्ते नहीं निकल सकता,
Yeah.
मुश्किल है भाई.
Yeah.
अगर पिक्चर बना रहे हो और साल में 10 नहीं निकल रही,
Yeah.
with 20 shots
Yeah.
and 250 posts
Yeah.
on all medium, मुश्किल है.
Yeah. So right now the idea for every artist, be a musician, filmmaker, is to be a social media creator.
Yeah.
That's your medium.
मतलब that may not be your film. मतलब for example, you can extrapolate.
That's your medium of expression. Now.
That's your medium of getting the masses.
That's your only expression, the medium. बाकी सब बेकार है.
तो लोग लाने पड़ेंगे.
So guys, if you're making music, if you're making film, just do it for YouTube, alright? Forget everything else. That's what we are talking about.
हाँ, कि बंद कर दो.
हाँ, मतलब कोई point नहीं है.
कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. या तो YouTube के लिए करो या लेबल के पास जाओ, बोलो सर जी इतने साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दे दो, उनसे पैसे लो, जो वो चाहते दे दो. तो
क्या लेबल दे देता है ऐसे लोगों को? और क्या पैसे देता होगा बच्चों को?
यार डिपेंड करता है तुमने काम कितना किया. I have actually seen people who worked at for 500 rupees a track.
What?
500 रुपए गाने के लिए. I have met people.
And what tracks? Like good tracks?
Decent remixes and stuff.
500 रुपए में कर दिया.
और साल के 250 दिए इन्हें.
250 ट्रैक्स है. I'm just calculating. Bro, ये तो कारपेंटर से कम पैसे बना रहा है.
भाई. When your job can be done by a prompt, that's the payout.
Okay.
You have to think about it. Your job can be done by a prompt. तू गाना बनाता है, मैं सुनो यहाँ पे बोल सकता हूँ make me cool beat बन जाती है. 500 रुपए कारपेंटर से हम तो मिलेंगे ही भाई.
कारपेंटर तो फर्नीचर बना के दे रहा है.
फर्नीचर बना के पूरा खड़ा कर रहा है. You can use
it and all forever.
पूरा सॉलिड काम कर रहा है वो तो.
Bro, can we talk about little bit about Punjabi music scene?
यार मुझे उतना पता नहीं है पंजाबी.
मेरे को ना जीरो पता है.
मुझे भी जीरो पता है.
But they are everywhere. उनके कपड़े देखो, उनके बूट देखो, पैसे कहाँ से लाते हैं इतने?
यार मुझे लगता है sometimes
मतलब it's a language centered in one state.
Yeah, I think sometimes you have to, I don't know how much money कहाँ से.
But they have captured Bollywood and Shadi.
I have seen a lot of people in Bombay at least.
Yeah.
And I've seen a lot of people in real life who look a lot richer than they have in the bank.
That's a Punjabi thing, no?
हाँ, कि पूरा कि सब कुछ क्रेडिट पे चल रहा है.
That's the Punjabi thing.
कि क्रेडिट कार्ड को का पे ऑफ भी क्रेडिट कार्ड से कर रहे हो. मतलब I've seen guys who live in shit houses with amazing cars.
वही ना, जान जाए पर टशन ना जाए.
टशन ना जाए. तो यार वो अलग सीन है यार वो. उसका मैं क्या बताऊं. उसका मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि if you like being in debt, if the credit card come, if you and
actually Punjab is in heavy debt.
हो गई भाई.
पूरा पंजाब डेट में है.
हो गई. मतलब
स्टेट का ही डेट
I want to say
स्टेट डेट में अच्छा खासा.
But the thing is कि if you like spending more than you like earning, or if you earn X and spend 2X.
So the philosophy of these people is just to be a music, like मैं कोई pop artist बन गया.
Fake it till I make it. But there are a lot of people who make good money also. पैसा बहुत लोगों का बनता भी. भाई वो तो supply demand का सीन.
And why whenever you look at any Punjabi musician, why is it this कि वो हमेशा Canada UK return होता है? ऐसा क्यों होता है? Like उसके पास ये होना चाहिए branding. Like I'm being very layman.
यार ये
But-
क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली उससे ज्यादा इज अ क्वेश्चन फॉर द ऑडियंस
You're fucking right.
कि तुम क्यों देखते
So all Indians want to go and live there.
हाँ मतलब उनकी एस्पिरेशन है
Yeah.
मतलब भाई हाँ, मतलब आर्टिस्ट क्या है इफ यू आर पॉपुलर दैट मींस यू
Yeah.
पीपल लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल एस्पायर टू बी लाइक यू तो द क्वेश्चन इज ऑडियंस है भाई तुम्हें कनाडा यूके जाना है क्या
Yeah.
दैट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर द
No,
ऑडियंस
I haven't followed Punjabi music much.
इवन आई डोंट नो
But like if you look at anything, there's a car, there's a girl walking on the street, and there's
कुछ
a guy
काफी सही म्यूजिक भी है
singing.
मैंने सुना है
But
like,
even that music will have these three things.
यार ये तो आई थिंक मतलब इट्स अ कल्चरल थिंग ब्रो
Okay.
मतलब वो तो हर जगह कल्चर का कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ना ऐसे मतलब ब्लैक कल्चर हैज अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ थिंग यूएस
I
कल्चर
was just coming to that. Do you think this is inspired from that? Because they started first.
यार आई डोंट थिंक सो इट हैज इट्स ओन वाइब मतलब
okay.
उसको मतलब वी आर ऑल डूइंग गोरों का म्यूजिक हिंदुस्तान में कर रहे हैं यार सच में मतलब एडिंग आर हिंदुस्तानी स्टाइल
Like beats and all तो है.
मतलब बट द ओवरऑल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ लाइक कि ग्रिड पे होगा बीट्स में होगा वी वर्किंग ऑन अ डॉ वी आर नॉट वर्किंग लाइक क्लासिकल हिंदुस्तानी म्यूजिशियन एट ऑल सो वी आर वर्किंग विद देम वी आर इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग दैट बट आवर स्ट्रक्चर इज स्टिल वेस्टर्न तो वी कांट ब्लेम एनीवन फॉर दैट
काफी अच्छी कन्वर्सेशन थी
हाँ.
और सारी बातें ना आपने दिल से की है.
हाँ.
बहुत सारे लोगों का दिल भी तोड़ा होगा आपने.
हाँ
जो जो बेचारे सोचे थे कि वो माइकल जैक्सन वगैरह बनेंगे.
हाँ
बट शायद आपने उनको बचाया भी हो. यू नेवर नो.
भाई पर बन सकते हो पूरे टाइम काम करना पड़ेगा यार
हाँ नहीं ठीक बात है. द पॉइंट द रियलिटी इज वट एवर यू लर्न फ्रॉम स्कूल और द मार्केट बेटर यू लर्न फ्रॉम द मार्केट. आज के जमाने में फॉर म्यूजिक और एनीथिंग
Yeah.
स्कूल इज नॉट द राइट
यार आई थिंक स्कूल इज अ ग्रेट प्लेस इफ यू कैन फिगर आउट हाउ टू लिव अब्रॉड इफ यू हैव टू कम बैक टू इंडिया लाइक दो सिस्टम्स डोंट अप्लाई आई
नहीं,
थिंक
नहीं,
अगर मैं न्यूयॉर्क में इफ आई कुड बी अ कंडक्टर देयर
I really think, bro, like after this conversation, what I've realized is like the schools prepare you for like BBC, but doesn't exist basically.
Yeah.
है ना? Like that's the thing.
एग्जैक्टली मतलब वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग
And there is no school that prepares you for the real world.
No.
It's like exactly like your school.
Yeah.
Even from your primary school, secondary school,
Exactly.
you learn nothing.
एग्जैक्टली
You just waste Papa Mama's
Exactly.
money.
Yeah.
Because they don't want you home.
एंड ब्रो मतलब आज के टाइम पे इफ यू रियली वांट टू लर्न समथिंग
Yeah.
मतलब YouTube जैसे हम वी वर टॉकिंग बिफोर द कन्वर्सेशन कि आज 176,000 years
Yeah.
लगेंगे टू फिनिश
YouTube say.
YouTube. If you want to get educated, bro, you can get educated on your app. Just say, I want to learn music theory. भाई 50 ट्यूटोरियल मिल जाएंगे देख ले क्या प्रॉब्लम
नहीं कोई problem.
आई वांट टू लर्न हाउ टू मेक म्यूजिक देख ले मतलब व्हाई डू नीड टू पे आई फील आल्सो इट्स अ सेंस ऑफ आई थिंक कॉलेज इज अमेजिंग इफ यू मेकिंग नेटवर्क्स तुम जाके लोगों से मिल रहे हो तुम जाके कनेक्ट कर रहे हो
वही सब होता है.
बट दैट्स सेकेंडरी अगर तुम्हें इंटरेस्ट है आई डोंट थिंक यू नीड टू गो टू कॉलेज टू बी इंटरेस्टेड
Yeah. You're
like I am stuck in my city. I don't know why I'm in Bombay, but I am in Bombay. You don't need to be in a city to make music. You can make music from anywhere, and that you only told me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need to be in a city to make films.
No,
You make films from
I've made more films than people in Bombay.
Yeah,
in life.
exactly.
Yeah, that's true.
anywhere. You know, तो वही बात है यार कि the city doesn't मतलब you just have to do it. और वो बात तेरी बिल्कुल 100% सही है.
पता नहीं मेरे तो डीएनए में हमेशा था यार. I never even tried.
You don't need to go anywhere to make a film. You make a film where you are.
Yeah.
You know,
Like don't even look for funding. Just make a film.
make the film.
Make the film. Make whatever you want to make. Who's stopping you? Your thoughts.
Yeah.
Trust me. Even he's not stopping you.
हाँ.
Just your thoughts.
Yeah.
कि यार ये ऐसे ही होना है.
हाँ.
तुमने किया ही नहीं है.
भाई वो सारा डर है ब्रो
सब खोपड़ा है.
सब खोपड़ा इट्स जस्ट स्कैरिंग यू कि
और
भाई
कुछ नहीं.
मैं करूंगा तो लोग मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे लोगों को शायद अच्छा नहीं लगे फिर क्या होगा भाई क्या
ये हर चीज में है.
हाँ
लाइक मेरी फिल्म की स्क्रीनिंग थी ना मेरा साथ में दोस्त बैठा हुआ था. वो फिल्म में वो लाइक यू हैड सम ओपनिंग गुड
Yeah,
सीन्स.
yeah.
सो ही सेड यू हैव balls of steel. मैंने कहा ये पागल है.
क्या बोल रहे
That's why he's saying that. He's not made a film for 8 years.
yeah
That's why he's saying that.
because that guy is afraid of judgment balls of steel का मतलब क्या ही does तो क्या बोल रहा है तेरे पास नहीं है
पता नहीं. तू देख रहा है तो मजा आ रहा है ना. It makes you feel something.
Yeah.
That's why you're saying that.
yeah but that's the thing like
Yeah.
I think people like are really afraid of judgment
Yeah, and for like किसकी judgment से डर रहे हो ना यार.
क्या फर्क पड़ता है ब्रो
नहीं.
इनफैक्ट अगर जजमेंट मिल जाए उससे अच्छा तो कोई काम ही नहीं है इट्स फास्टर टू बी इनफेमस
Look, you remember when 5 years back, I used to send you scripts.
हाँ,
कि
हाँ.
पढ़ लो.
हाँ
You know, I haven't shared script with anybody for 2 years, last 2 years.
are you serious
I don't want your fucking judgment or
हाँ तू
feedback.
करना भाई
You know why? I was thinking कि यार I was watching some like Christopher Nolan stuff and all. मैं सोच रहा था यार ये मार्टिन स्कॉर्सेज़े की अपनी स्क्रिप्ट बेचता होगा लोगों को पढ़ो बैठ के. वो उनको भेजता होगा जिसको उसने काम कराना है।
हाँ, बस
फीडबैक लेनी भेजता होगा।
फीडबैक के लिए थोड़ा ना भेजेगा यार।
तुमको अगर पता है कि तुम लिख क्या रहे हो, तुम पढ़ के तुमको समझ आ रहा है, तुमको लिखना आता है ना दोस्तों, लिख दो। अब ये लिखा क्या है,
हाँ।
उसके क्या है, वो छोड़ो।
और फिर कोई बोल रहा है बंदा जिसको कोई इंटरेस्ट
नहीं है, उसने कभी एक पन्ना नहीं लिखा, तुम उसको कागज भेज रहे हो
और वो बोलेगा कि भाई मुझे लग रहा है चौथे पेज में तो समझ में
नहीं, कुछ नहीं करना।
दैट्स नॉट योर ऑडियंस।
दिस इज योर जर्नी ब्रो, गाइस, व्हाटएवर यू डूइंग इज योर जर्नी, यू डूइंग इट टू प्लीज योर सोल, डू इट।
एग्जैक्टली,
बस और कुछ नहीं है।
एग्जैक्टली
है ना यार, you may get lucky if you connect with somebody. That's life.
And bro, I think you can make your luck if you just do a lot of work all the time. Yeah, I feel there are two types of people. People who want to be a musician or be an artist or be a producer or a film director because it's cool. Versus जो बंदा है ये जो पैदा हुआ है, अगर म्यूजिक नहीं बनाएगा मर जाएगा, वो पिक्चर नहीं बनाएगा मर जाएगा।
I'll put it in an even simpler way. One is the one you said cool, और दूसरा who wants to solve something in it.
हाँ,
There's a difference.
बहुत बड़ी
When you're trying to solve something in your artwork, in your work, you're working for that thing.
Exactly.
And that thing will reciprocate. The world will see यार ये creator है, ये ना कुछ कर रहा है जो आप कभी नहीं कर सकते, because the way he's grabbed this art is different. Always have this mentality.
And
You're trying to solve something in it.
You're trying to solve something, and you cannot live without doing it, so you will do it.
Yeah.
If you're doing it,
Yeah.
put it out.
Put it out.
Don't be afraid of judgment.
Yeah, man.
That's the way I look at it.
No, bro, I'm a huge fan of your work. And
Cheers,
I'm a
bro.
huge
I'm a
fan of
fan of your
this 52 weeks thing. Like I believe this is the like very good step you've taken.
Thank
पूरा
you.
साल मेहनत का,
हाँ.
और ये साल तेरा जीवन बदल देगा भाई, I'm very sure.
चल, thank
हर
you.
हाल में भाई.
I love you.
The stuff you're putting out
हाँ.
is married together, and that's where it works. It
Thank you,
works.
भाई.
मेहनत दिखती है, बहुत सही है, views आएंगे, it doesn't matter.
आराम से आएंगे, मुझे फर्क नहीं
But बहुत अच्छा है. मतलब you know, when I look at your work, I can imagine there's a museum called Arsh Sharma. वहाँ पे अंदर घुसो, वो आर्ट वर्क दीवारों पे चल रहा है, वो म्यूजिक चल रहा है.
हाँ, हाँ.
You can do that.
That's
You have that personality going on. सही बात नहीं है?
सही बात है.
हाँ ब्रो, मतलब there can be a club called Arsh Sharma.
जहाँ
उसमें
पे-
भाई वही म्यूजिक चलता है और वही चलता है, और वो म्यूजिक इतना है, हर हफ्ते तो आ रहा है.
हर हफ्ते आ रहा है, bro.
वो बार के पास साल भर का म्यूजिक है, और हर रोज नया म्यूजिक है चलाने के लिए. No, who else can do that?
I'm
Nobody.
sure
And
people
good
can.
stuff, like great stuff.
Thank you, bhai.
Yeah,
That means a
man.
lot, bhai. Sure.
Next week वाला video I'm gonna see your music video and comment again.
Done.
Good stuff, man, and I hope we do this again.
I hope we do it very soon. बहुत
Yeah.
मजा आया, bro.
हाँ, भाई.
It was a great conversation.
नहीं, आपने बहुत सही बातें की है यार. It came from your heart. You punctured many tires in the world. I'm very sure. but that's right.
Bro, it's reality. It's up to you. And हम सब बबल में जी रहे हैं. जब आएगा सबका टायर पंचर हो गए.
ठीक.
गाड़ी है तो टायर तो पंचर होने ही है.
हाँ.
You know.
नहीं,
क्या
सही
बात
भाई,
है?
सही.
चलो.
Good man, good.
Thank you. See you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much
man.
for having me.
Yeah, bro.
And let's do this again.
Yeah.
Godcast.